Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today we have this Samsung A51 with the Google activation lock, and we're gonna try to bypass it. So for this you have to be connected to Wi-Fi, and you will need this this program called Easy Samsung FRP Tool 2020. So you can see we have this. Now you're gonna have to connect your phone to the PC. Wait for the drivers to install. If you're using it for the first time, you're gonna have to press disable driver signatures. If it doesn't want to pick up your phone, I will make a pinned comment. Just let me know in the comments and I'll make a pinned comment and I explain how to disable the driver signatures. So from this step, after the computer picked it up, just press bypass FRP and confirm. Okay, so I'm gonna try to cover the IMEI here. Okay, launching, as you can see on the launching browser event, and here it pops up on the screen this message. Just press view and it takes you to the internet. Just continue from here, accept, no thanks, and I'm gonna need a second phone, so we're gonna go to add ROM, add ROM, just go, agree. Okay, and we're just going to open the settings, accounts and backup. Okay, bring data from all device. Now it's gonna prompt for the smart switch. Just click download and it downloads in the background. Same thing here, cloud and accounts, smart switch, agree. Okay, at this point you would need, well, depending on the second phone, what sort of phone you have. I have an S7 Edge here, so you need this micro USB cable and an OTG, an adapter to OTG cable, adapter to Type C. So this one with the Type C is gonna go to the A51, the other side to the S7 Edge. Okay, so go again to smart switch, allow. So I'm gonna receive data with this phone. I'm gonna send data from this phone, from Galaxy, by cable. Let's see if it connects. I'm gonna press allow. Okay, copy. Okay, installing. Okay, it's collecting the data. Okay, swipe up to see more. File selected. I'm not gonna select, I'm gonna deselect all. I'm gonna just press accounts. Normally I press settings and home screen and that's it. So just press transfer accounts. Don't press anything here, confirm here, copy. Okay, so it looks like on this version it's working. I'm gonna type in my my password. Okay, account seems to be copied, or just let's just transfer them to. Account is not available, so let's see if we can transfer the keep screen on, settings and home screen. Seems to be done. Go to home screen. Okay, let's disconnect them. We don't need them anymore. Next. Oh, perfect. Account added. I just had the phone. I don't know what version is running on. It looks like this solution, it works, but if you have a secondary phone, it's an OTG cable, and obviously in a computer, a laptop, whatever, this solution is good for you. So it seems to be done. We're gonna check now the version. From here, you just go and factory reset your phone as normal, and it's all done. So if you go about phone software information, it says Android 11 security patch level 1st of February 2021. So it is not the latest one, but I'll try to find a way to bypass the latest one as well. Thanks for watching.